In this video, I'm going to share with you natural solutions that has helped me with the occasional headache. Hello, my name is Jennifer Snell and I have used essential oils for 11 years and have helped thousands of families learn how to use essential oils and implement them into their home. And I'm excited to help you learn easy essential oil applications. I have been finding some great results using the turmeric dual capsules, deep blue polyphenol capsules, and copaiba soft gels. Anytime I feel head tension coming on, I grab these bottles and take 2 capsules each. Topically, I apply deep blue essential oil, copaiba, and peppermint to the back of my neck and temples. And the best part, no harmful side effects. I am sure my liver is thanking me. In fact, I know my liver is thanking me. Let me tell you a little bit about each of these products. Let's start with the turmeric dual capsule. doTERRA is the first to combine certified pure therapeutic grade turmeric essential oil and turmeric extract in a dual chamber capsule, creating a uniquely powerful synergy of turmerones and curcuminoids in order to maximize the effectiveness and benefits of both compounds for a healthy inflammatory response. Deep Blue Polyphenol Complex delivers extracts of frankincense, turmeric, green tea, ginger, pomegranate, and grape seed, and is designed to provide soothing support to achy muscles and to other occasional discomfort. To get started with essential oils, check out my website at jennifersnell.com. If you're finding value in this video, make sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell to be notified every time I post a brand new video. Copaiba soft gels provide a daily dose of copaiba essential oil in a convenient, easy to swallow soft gel. When taken internally, copaiba essential oil may help support the nervous, cardiovascular, immune, digestive, and respiratory system. Using essential oils topically has been beneficial to my head tension. Deep Blue, copaiba, and peppermint are great for head tension, relaxing muscles, and soothing the body. I like to apply these oils in layers on the back of my neck. I use peppermint for the last layer because peppermint is a driver oil and helps drive those oils even deeper into my skin. To get started with essential oils, check out my website at jennifersnell.com. As a mom, I wanted to use products that were beneficial for my family's health, not harmful. That's why I've been using doTERRA products for all my needs, from household cleaning, personal hygiene, supplementation, and to support my immune system naturally. If you want the same thing for your family, let me show you a few packages to help you get started on this journey with me. These 3 options are priced 25% below retail. This is similar to having a Costco membership where you pay a yearly membership and get access to amazing products at a great discount. With doTERRA, customer membership saves you 25% off retail. The first package is called the Natural Solutions Kit. This was a kit that I started with when I first decided to implement natural products into my home. The package has everything you need, from household cleaning, personal hygiene, supplementation, and boosting your immune system naturally. The kit costs $600, but the wholesale cost is $450. The second package is called the Home Essentials Kit. This kit has the 10 most popular essential oils that can help with boosting your immune system naturally. You can make your own household cleaners and purify the air using the diffuser. The package costs $360 retail, but wholesale it costs $270. The third kit is called the Healthy Start Kit. This is basically the same kit as the last one, just smaller bottles and a smaller diffuser, but it comes with the same essential oils that help to boost your immune system naturally, make your own household cleaners, and purify the air using the diffuser. This package costs $213 retail, but the wholesale cost is $160. I hope you have found value in this video, and I look forward to working with you on this essential oil journey. Make sure to check out my playlist where you can learn all about essential oils and their benefits. Have a great day. Bye.